A common question we get is, does the generator's break-in period include running a load? The short answer is yes, it does. During the first 6 to 8 hours of use, we recommend running your generator with a light load while it breaks in. This helps internal engine components seat properly and promotes long-term reliability. Here's the recommended break-in process. Use conventional oil during the initial break-in period. Keep the generator load under 50% of its rated capacity. Run it normally during those first 6 to 8 hours. Just avoid heavy or max loads. This controlled use helps reduce wear and sets the engine up for a longer service life. Once the break-in period is complete, we recommend changing the oil. At that point, you can continue using conventional oil or switch to synthetic, depending on your preference. Now, if you're in an emergency, the load restriction can be disregarded. Powering your home always comes first. Just return to normal maintenance once the situation is resolved. Following these break-in steps helps ensure your generator runs smoothly and reliably for years to come.